Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today's menu is cinnamon braid bread. Prepare your pen and paper. Here are the ingredients: 3/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg yolk, 1 sachet yeast, 2 and 1/4 cups flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon melted butter, 3 teaspoons cinnamon powder, 5 tablespoon brown sugar, 3 tablespoon butter, almonds. So our next step is to mix warm milk with yeast. Mix, kachaw, and then followed by sugar. Mix, kachaw. And then the egg yolk, of course. Then mix that one. And lastly, the butter. Mix. Okay, our next step is to mix our dry ingredients. Mix flour and the salt. Mix. And then prepare your wet ingredients. Then gradually add to your dry ingredients. Mix. And then put everything. Put everything, I said. Yes, correct. Mix. Clean hands. And then start kneading. Okay, knead until we perfectly get the right consistency of the dough. Okay. Yes, like that. And then rest for 1 hour. And now we prepare our filling, our sugar, our cinnamon, and then our butter. Okay. Mix until it's very smooth. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Our dough is ready. I cut it into 2, then I start flattening it. Not very thick, not very thin. Like this, and then I will now add the filling. Yes, be generous with your filling if you like it. Yes, with your almonds. Perfect. And then we roll it like this, like that. Where's your knife? Cut it like this. Okay. And spread it and braid it like this. Alright. And fold it like that. Okay. Did you get it? Okay. Let's go to our next dough. Flatten it. Roll it. Not so thin, not so thick. Put your filling. Put everything. Yes, be generous with your filling. Okay, fold. You can do it with other filling if you want. Braid it, fold it like that. And now I'm preparing my egg wash. Where's my egg wash? Uy, where are you? Oh yes, there. Egg wash. That's good. And then preheat your oven. Put it in. Yes, nice. Okay, close the oven, and then see the magic. That's the magic. It's very easy to do this recipe. That looks so good. And then, ta-da! My finished product. My cinnamon braid bread. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.